video, I am testing out some TikTok fashion life hacks. It's kind of full circle here. I used to do a lot of like life hack videos, and now that TikTok's in, I feel like these little random life hacks are popping up again. So I wanted to try some out for you guys, see if they work. Some of them I do actually use, like I know they're good life hacks. Others I'm a little skeptical about, so we'll see how it goes. Before we get started, if you are not already, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok with the Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this first life hack is a little t-shirt tying thing. I've actually seen a couple of TikToks where people do this. I haven't tried it yet. I'm a little confused like how it stays. I used to be such a big t-shirt tyer, like literally every shirt I wore I would like tie it up to here, like everything is a crop top. Oversized t-shirts, never heard of her. I don't do it that much anymore. I think I can kind of like appreciate like the big t-shirt look now. However, this really intrigues me and I'm curious if it actually works because I don't know. But basically what she does is she crosses her arms and then she goes like that. So she has two pieces like here, and then twist it twice, and she takes like one part of the knot and like overlaps it over the big knot. And okay, so this is what I'm confused about. Like, this is not staying. It doesn't seem very secure, I'm not gonna lie, but or is it? I can't even tell. Okay, so it went like that. Maybe I twist it more. Or maybe it's this side. And then big one over the knot. And tuck. Actually, yeah, I guess that works. Oh, it's not very secure though, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe like under, if I tuck it under like this, it's definitely more secure, but like it looks a little funny. Yeah, it's kind of like what I thought, like, it's just not very secure. Like I feel like this would like easily come out. I'm gonna rate this like a 6 out of 10. I don't think it doesn't look any different than like the regular knotting, and it's less secure. So I don't know that like all the little gimmicks here are really worth it. Okay, this one I actually think is so genius, but basically it's like a life hack for keeping your sleeves up on like sweaters where it just kind of falls down. Actually, this one, it doesn't really do that, but it'll work for the purpose of this life hack. So basically you just need like a sweater or like a long sleeve shirt that's a little bit loose and 2 hair ties. So basically what you do is you put the hair ties like over the sweater like this, and then you can just like cover it up. And because like the hair ties are so tight, it'll just keep the sweater up like that. Let me do it on the other one here. And yeah, my sleeves are super secure, like not coming down anytime soon. The only thing is it's kind of cutting off my circulation. However, like maybe if your hair ties are like a little bit looser, it could be better. These are like hair ties I've never used before, so that could be the issue. But like for what it does, it's keeping my sleeves up. So I'm gonna say like an 8 out of 10. Like, this is kind of good. Guys, literally my hands moving all around. The sleeves are staying up, like it's doing it. Okay, so life hack number 3. I really hope this works because it would be such a game changer. I wear a lot of halter tops, and basically like the issue is if you wear a normal bra with these, you can see the straps. It's an issue. I run into this a lot. So basically this life hack is you wear a normal bra with your halter top. Not cute by default. However, you can unhook the straps in the back. I think most bras you can do that. Oh shoot, you can't do it for this one. Hold on, I need a bra change. Okay, I'm good now. So I've unhooked the straps in the back, and basically like this should work as long as you can unhook your straps from the back end. And basically what you do is, so you hook the hooks together. Yeah, okay, that feels secure. And then you have to tighten the strap so it'll fit around your neck, and then just goes over your head. Okay, so now I basically made this bra into a halter top, so I can easily just tuck the straps underneath my shirt. You can't even see them in the back, and this might be like a little bit too narrow, but it like kind of works. Maybe just like slightly, I don't know, I'm gonna say like 8 out of 10. I think with like a wider halter top, this would definitely work really well. This is just like a little bit too narrow, but like otherwise this works really well. Okay, so next up we have a little cropped sweater hack. I don't really know if I ever have had a need for this, however I thought this was kind of cool. So basically the idea is if you have a dress that you want to wear a sweater over, but the sweater is kind of long and you want to like have it cropped a little, but like obviously because it's a dress you don't have anywhere to like tuck it in, The idea is basically you can take your sweater, take a belt, and tuck it into the belt. So basically you just put your belt on and you kind of do it like wherever you want to crop your sweater. And then I got my sweater, put that on. So like I could just wear it like this, or honestly this doesn't really match, but we're gonna pretend it's a good look. But if I really want to crop it, I can just tuck it under the belt, and now it's a crop sweater. This looks a little funny. I don't know if it's just because like this doesn't really match, or if it's like, I don't know if there's like a need for this. Like this just looks like a weird little outfit. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I mean, like the idea worked. I just don't know if there is a need for this life hack. I'm gonna say like 6 out of 10, just cause like I don't need this. Okay, so these next 2 TikTok life hacks I actually found a couple months ago, and I've been using them interchangeably on various pairs of pants I have that are just like a little bit too big, but like I don't really want to spend the money to tailor. So here's a quick little fix for like when your pants are just a little bit too big. Like these aren't bad. However, they could be a little tighter. So you need a shoelace like this. And what you want to do is loop it through the 2 back belt holes like this. And then you could just tie them together to make them however tight you want your pants to be. So it's going to be a little bit cinched in the back. And let's see, got a little bow. And yeah, now these pants fit a lot better. I mean, there is like a shoelace in the back. However, if you're wearing any kind of jacket, it'll cover it. But personally, I like don't really mind that there's a shoelace. Like I feel like it looks okay. And as you can see, these pants just have like a much more fitted look to them now. So quick little fix for you guys if your pants are ever too big. Okay, so similar situation here. These jeans are a little bit too big. Not super big, but they could definitely go down like an inch or so. This doesn't work on every pair of jeans, but I do have like 3 pairs that it works on, and I do it every time I wear them because I'm not spending money on tailoring. What you do is you take the button and you loop it through the first belt hole, and then you can just button it like normal. It's a little bit hard to get through the buttonhole sometimes, but it does go through, and then you can just zip them up and kind of just like tuck the extra fabric into the fly area. It's a little awkward looking, however, now these jeans fit so freaking good. Like it definitely does like look a tiny bit off, but I personally don't even mind it. I'm gonna say like 9 out of 10 for this life hack. I do it all the time. Okay, so apparently this was a thing in the 80s, but it's been all over TikTok lately. This is like a way to cuff your jeans, basically. I don't really cuff my jeans that often, but you know, we're gonna try it out. Maybe this will be a good little fashion life hack I can have in the back of my head, you know? So anyway, what you do is you fold your jeans over so they're a little bit tapered at the bottom like this. Then you fold it up once, and then you fold it up again so it stays. And that's it. It's supposed to create like a nice little tapered cuff. Okay, so I feel very 80s/90s. Like I can see why this came from that time. However, I feel like it like looks pretty good. Like I don't know if I'd wear my pants like this, but I mean, it definitely worked. I'm gonna say like a 7 out of 10 for this, just because like I don't love the look, but like the life hack worked. Okay, so this next life hack is basically like a way to tie your sweatpants that have a drawstring like this in a way that you can just like pull the strings to tighten and untighten them whenever you want to take them on, or whenever you want to put them on or take them off. So it's just like a little bit easier to do that. So this is a little bit complicated, but we'll see if I can do it. So yeah, first of all, you need a pair of sweatpants that has a little string like this. These are like really bad sweatpants, but you get the idea. So what you want to do is pretend like you're tying a knot in the strings and basically just like have 2 little loops on each side of your sweatpants. So I got these going here. Then you just take the opposite string and pull it through the loop of the other string. Then you just pull it tight. And then, so now I have them cinched at my waist, and then if I want to take them down, I should just be able to like pull them apart. I think that's, yeah. Oh, okay. That works. I'm gonna say it's like a 7 out of 10 because I don't really know that it's that much easier than like untying and retying your sweatpants, but it does kind of work. Okay, if you wear jewelry, you know how annoying it is to get bracelets on like this where there's a clasp by yourself. Like it could take you like 20-30 minutes to get on a bracelet without help. So this life hack is basically like you can use a bobby pin to assist with that. So I'm gonna loop the bobby pin through where it needs to attach basically, and this will just give me like some extra length, I guess, because I feel like the problem is really like you can't like use your one hand to like hold it together and like clasp it. So this will just like give you that extra little bit. Wait, if I could just get this clasp, this would totally work. Oh my god, wait. Oh, I got it. I guess that kind of worked. I don't know if it was like really that much easier though. Definitely wouldn't have been able to get this on without the bobby pin. So it did help. It's just like, it doesn't make it like super easy. It's just a little assistance. I'm gonna say like 7 out of 10 for this. Like it might help you. This bracelet also is just like kind of really cheap and hard to put on in general. So like maybe with like a better bracelet. But yeah, I mean, kinda. Okay, and last but not least, we have a little scarf life hack. This is how to turn a scarf into a bag, which I feel like is kind of a fun idea. First, you fold your scarf into a little triangle like this, and then you just tie these two top pieces together in a knot. So it got a little shoulder bag like this. Then you just like unfold it and tie these two top pieces together. And I don't really know how this, let me put some stuff in it. I think that's why I can't really tell how this works. Okay, got some clips, sunglasses, basically like a little beach bag. And yeah, I mean, that works, I guess. It's a little funny looking, but it does carry stuff. And you know, I'm gonna say it works. Like 7 out of 10, no, 8 out of 10 for this. It's like, it's a little funny, but it does the job. Hope you all enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week.